Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it is Tuesday and I'm starting off a new vlog. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. I'm getting ready to head out for work. So my hair kind of pull up, so I kind of put it in a bun. Then this evening when I come home, then I have to do over the little front part here, so or I don't know, maybe I do it, maybe I do it, I'm not sure, because tomorrow we're having picture day for the staff. I don't want to look too shabby, but I look cute like this, so let's see how tomorrow goes. I don't know, I might just do back over the front, but too much time I do back over the front of that area, I'm just tired. So I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna head out to work right now.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it.
Don't mind the condition of the box.
Who cares? How far it come from? They're so cute. They're so cute, but so small.
Diabetes.
Why did I expect them to be bigger?
Okay, guys, so we bought a premium half dozen. Yeah.
That's right.
I'm in the process of combing my hair.
Oh my god.
Anyways, pre-parts out. Yeah, book me, by the way.
No. Okay.
So we have the 2 Valentine's ones that are available at the moment.
Look at them. Look at them.
This one is the Lychee Love. You Color My World. And then like this is the Caramel Cream Crunch. New York cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake a bit rough right now.
Let's see. I like come up there so.
And the chocolate cream feel a bit rough too.
Let's see. I like up there so. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hi guys. So this vlog wasn't actually supposed to be this kind of vlog. We're supposed to be going out today. This afternoon. Wasn't supposed to be staying at home at all, but here I am trying to comb my hair. So right now I just washed my hair, guys, and I tried out a new shampoo that my sister and I bought. It's the Benjamin's Cosmetics shampoo, conditioner, and this is the moisturizer. So let's see. I don't know, kind of sweet for me, as in the actual shampoo and conditioner. So, and this too, them smell nice, like real nice, but kind of sweet. I like the subtle smells, but that's not the most important thing. The most important thing is how it works, right? So yeah, even me glad me ear nothing. Let's give it some. Right, so that's that. And now I'm going to blow dry my hair.
Baptized in Christ, he saved my life. He sacrificed his own for mine. So I'm diligent and obedient, or at least I try. I wish I had a dime for the times I've been criticized. They love to hate, I don't care what they say. Laugh while I listen, staying in my lane with the Lord. I'm in the spirit. Never mind, I'm thinking twice, I'm on the rise, yeah. While everybody else getting up to no good, I'll be praising you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'll be serving you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh.
Alright, much better. At least I can actually see into the mirror. So yeah, this is all I did, guys. This is all I did. Yeah, now 11:30 some. I think it's 11:31 right now. My hair done. I am so tired, but anyways, it's a good thing I decided to go short because more than half are done, but I still at least I'll probably add the front. So yeah, I did knotless, so it's not heavy. It's just, you know, I think tomorrow if me have the time, I'm gonna back over the one here. Yeah, the one here, it's like too long, the only one that long, so you see. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll do that one over. Hey guys, so it is Sunday afternoon and right now I am trying to get my life together. Right now I am trying to look some clothes for work. Normally I try to like iron for the month. Me not start iron for the month after February starts, right? So I pretty much have no clothes to wear tomorrow. Yeah, I'm trying to look some clothes right now. I just fix up my phone for the week. Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can change up my phone like every week because I always want to change the colors and like a month is like too long. So let's see a week. A week. So this week I'm going with green. So like something like this. Yeah, I found that dress plus I have one green pants somewhere over here, so I find one blouse with some green in it. It's not completely green, but you have green in there, you know. I have one next blouse here so with green, and then this is kind of darker but kind of dark green here. So that's 1, 2, 3, that's 4 days plus the pants 5 days. But Gucci, but if I can change the blouse here I will be fine with that. If I can find like one next bottom that is green, that would be great. Guys, I am breaking out. I am breaking out. Anyways, and my basket is overflowing because we have no water. I'm crying. I haven't washed in like, is it 2 weeks? Yeah, I think that's 2 weeks. So I thought it was in that. I don't like that. Okay, I'm just showing you green pants I have. Oh, by the way, I don't know if the video here I will get to upload Sunday, so I might see this video on a Monday. Yes, so the reason why, let me explain. So we were supposed to go somewhere yesterday, so I was banking on that. I didn't want to do too much home vlogs and just being repetitive and all of that. But you see, that's why I just vlog just in case, you know, just vlog and vlog in case of anything. Because what happened, I started to vlog on Twitter and I'm like, this is gonna be like just the same as the other vlogs, and I'm like, I don't want that. So I decided to not vlog anymore in that week, and you'll actually see the only thing I vlog throughout the actual week. And then on Friday when we got the little thing, I just vlogged because I was like, you know, I started to vlog again, and then that was kind of something different because first time we're trying Krispy Kreme. So basically we're supposed to be going on a little friend trip to a restaurant on Saturday afternoon, but the drive fell through because the drive had another job pretty much to do, so that fell through. So that did not work out, and that's what I was really banking on for the video. So yeah.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. My heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep on moving. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, will love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to me, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more, no more. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more.
Alright guys, so I am finished eating dinner and now it's time to clean up.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Yeah. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king.
Okay guys, so kitchen is clean. Right now I'm about to try making some, what do you call that, jello? So I'm going to try making some gel. I've never made it before, but me know it easy. If I can make this. Like, this is nothing. Anyways, so this is the strawberry one. So let's see how that goes. Guys, so it is, I think, after 8 right now. I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's pretty much the end of the, what do you call this? It's the end of the weekend, guys. It's the end of the weekend. We're not having no more weekending right now. Not heading to bed right now, but I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully next vlog will be more planned. Yes, this one wasn't planned as I said before, because what I planned did not, you know, work out. So hopefully next time, or I'm gonna plan for the other vlog or I'll try to plan. So yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.